This is the video for chapter 3.1. You'll be using this to help you complete your homework problem sets A and B. So on 3.1, what's going to happen in 3.1, we're going to talk about addition and subtraction of whole numbers. And so we've just talked about sets and then numbers and what we use them for. We also talked about different bases. And so hopefully now you have a grounding of place value and the importance of that, how each digit in a number represents value or the number of groups of a certain value, and that would be the base that it's in, base 5, base 2, or like the Mayan numerals. So this is the introduction real quick. We'll skip this warm-up question. And so let's do a quick number talk, and so that just gives you a second there to calculate that. 61 plus 39, go ahead and do that. And so now that you're doing that, I'm going to do one, and then I'll let you think about others after you see one. So to calculate 61 plus 39, the way I thought about it was I did 60 plus 30. I looked at the number of tens. I did that first, and then I added 1 plus 9. So now I know, all of us know what the answer is. That answer is 100, but that's how I calculated that in my head. Go ahead and think of another way. And so now I included two other ways in blue there, how I thought about it and how others would think about it. And of course, you would have your own way. I'll check with you guys in class to see any other methods come up. But I first gave the 1 to the 39, so 40 plus 60. And then in one case, you can give the 9 to the 1. It gives you 70 plus 30. But in each case, equals 100. So there are multiple ways to kind of represent that. And so if you're able to do that, then you have a good, if students are able to do that, you have a good idea of place value and understand kind of how those numbers are related to each other. And so that's what we're going to be looking at. A number talk 12 plus 3, if this is in base 5. So how would you do that? For sure, you could just count up. So 12 plus 3, I just keep counting up by 3. So that would be one way to do that. So 12 becomes 13, becomes a 14, and then you would think it's a 15, but it isn't, which means the next one is 20. So 1, 2 plus 3 equals 20, and so that's what you would have there. Any other ways you can think about it? Go ahead and think about that, and then we could check in class about some different ideas there.